Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, but my friends call me Min. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be playing with some more new products. Yes, this month I'm gonna have a lot to review at the end of the month because there's so many things coming. Anyways, enough rambling. If you want to see how I achieved this beautiful smoky eye look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so just quickly before I jump into it, I've been wearing my base makeup all day. I put it on early this morning. I've been to work and everything. And now I'm all done work and I wanted to do a good eye look for you guys. So if you want to know, I've been wearing the Maybelline 24-Hour Stay Foundation. Say hello to Charlie. And this e.l.f. the Camo Concealer. Oh my god. I have not put this stuff down. It is amazing. It is just as good as everyone says. For my blush and contour and highlight, I use the Cover FX Face Palette. To set, I've been really enjoying the CoverGirl. This is the True Blend pressed powder. I have mine in Translucent Light. And before we get into the video, this little one wants to say hello.
Hi, subscribe to my channel.
What's your channel?
Charlie C.
Charlie C. Charlie is spelled C-H-A-R-L-E-I-G-H.
C.
Alright guys, for today's look, I'm going to be jumping in with the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions. If you guys have seen any of my previous videos, you'll know that I actually really enjoy these. I have the Electric Obsessions, the Mauve Obsessions, I have the Emerald Obsessions, and the Amethyst Obsessions. But this one I have not used yet, so I'm excited to play with them. I'm going to do my favorite part and peel that off the mirror. And I'm going to jump right in with this transition kind of shade right here on my Tom Ford number 13. And I'm going to place this right into my crease. Now on a MAC 217, I'm going to go in with this medium brown. It's not the dark brown, but it's still a dark brown. And I'm going to put that in my crease, but not as high as that transition shade. Now I'm going to take this little brush. This is a Luxie 121 mini tapered brush. And I'm going to put it into this black to really deepen out this edge. Now I'm going to take that Tom Ford brush again and that first transition shade, and I'm going to go over these edges. Now taking my Juvia's Place 002 small definer brush and some MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to be going in with this gold shade right here. I'm going to focus it kind of mostly just in the center. Now, taking the same brush, I'm going to go in with this light peachy kind of shade here. And I'm going to get it wet again. And I'm going to put that in the inner portion. Now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that black, and I'm just going to kind of re-go over this outer edge. For my lower lash line, I'm going to mimic the colors, so I'm going to do this peachy one in the corner, the gold, and then the black. Alright, now I'm going to take that Tom Ford brush and that transition shade, and I'm just going to kind of smoke out underneath it here. For my inner corner, I'm going to take this crazy silver and some MAC Fix Plus. For my brow bone, I did pick up this new highlighter. It is by Pixie by Petra. It is the Glowy Gossamer Duo, and this is in Subtle Sunrise. This is what the packaging looks like. Those are the highlighters. They look really nice. Those got some shine to them. Oh, yes. Those look really pretty. Okay, I'm excited. So I'm just going to take some of this lighter shade here and just going to throw some right up under my brow. Now I'm going to quickly jump off camera and finish these eyes. And we're back. Eyes are done. For my liner today, I used the Morphe eyeliner pot thing in Slate. And on my lower lash line, I used this Pixie by Petra little pencil in Rose Glow. For mascara, I am using this Milani highly rated mascara. I don't know, it's new to me anyway. I just seen it at the store and thought that I would pick it up. And then because it is such a neutral look, I wanted to amp it up a little bit. So I threw on a set of lashes. They were an old set. I don't remember who made them. For my lipstick, I'm going to throw on this Becca lipstick in the shade N Taupe. And I'm just going to quickly touch up my highlight, and I'm going to jump into that Pixie by Petra. And I'm going to mix the two shades together because why not? Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Of course, I did have a little bit of highlighter on from earlier, but you never have enough, so. And here we have the final look. I really like that eyeshadow palette. I have been impressed with all of Huda Beauty's little eyeshadow palettes. I think they're all amazing. So I'm happy to have this one. I hemmed and hawed over it for such a long time, and I figured I might as well just get it. So yes, give me the close up. And yes, thank you all for watching. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And you know, if you want to be notified, you gotta hit the bell. Until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.